So, one problem less. Now I have on the Land Cruiser I have this one is shot, so now I have to fix that too at the same time. Now I believe this should be very simple to just change, hopefully, so I have to see. Shouldn't be difficult. I just bought one who was supposed to be 40 centimeters and supposed to work for this car. The problem here, I didn't have place for camera, but I just bend it out and then loosen out in a grip. So I have to see about the new one. This one was a nice design, so I'm not sure if the new one is going to look the same. I'm back in the Kia, and looking at the Land Cruiser's wiper. The design of the ordinary one I like. The design of Biltema's version is completely different, a different here and everything. So I'm not going to put on this, but thinking I'm going to check the blade length and if I can take off the blade and just put the blade in and throw away the rest of this mechanism. So I have to check that. Yeah, I moved away the blade. I can see if I can put in the rubber blade system from this one over on the other one. So I just keep it nice. I don't like the other one, just didn't look nice in the car. Okay, I have loosened off the blade from the other one. I'm going to put it in here. Just have to make it go in exactly like I wanted. Yeah. Yeah. Now I used only the rubber blade, not the rest. Then be really easy just to connect it back on. Yeah, just put it back on. There. New blade on the old holder system. This blade was very cheap at Bildilla, 59 Norwegian kroners. With the rest of the things, I didn't need the other things, I just moved it in here. So now that one is fixed. Next things here now is soon I have to change tires. I have at the same time as I change the tires, I'm going to change the shock absorbers in the back here. I have bought new ones that's lying in the car, so it's going to be changed.